Hello guys, welcome back to NareshIT. Last class we are trying to understand object class related points. We completed two topics, right? Come to the screen. We completed what is java.lang.Object class. We completed proving compiler adds java.lang.Object as superclass to all classes, primitive values and array objects. In this session, let us try to understand why object class is superclass for all Java classes. Okay, look at these points. Object class is created as a superclass to all the classes for two reasons. Okay, reason number one, to achieve code reusability. Number two, to achieve loose coupling and runtime polymorphism. If object class is not superclass of all classes, you will face two problems. Number one, code redundancy. Number two, tight coupling and static binding. Okay, if you develop object as superclass, opposite advantage, code reusability. Number two, we will get loose coupling and runtime polymorphism. Okay, let me first explain about code reusability. How code reusability we will get? Simple. Every object will have, every class object, you take student, employee, bank account, laptop, okay, any real world object you take, every object contain 11 common operations. How many operations? 11. These 11 operations to perform in every class, every developer must develop 11 methods in these classes. First class, second class, third class, every class should develop 11 methods. These 11 methods repeatedly if you develop, then it's a time-taking process or not. So to avoid that problem, Sun Microsystem has created a class called object class. In that class, all these 11 methods are defined with a common logic to all the subclasses. If you don't like those methods, logic provided in the superclass, then you can override in your subclass. So for achieving code reusability, java.lang.Object class is given as object superclass to all classes. Clear? Now, let's understand what is the loose coupling and runtime polymorphism in the next session. With an example also I'll explain you, okay? As of now, remember theory. In the next session, I'll explain with example. Thank you.